Zebras are members of the horse family, Equidae, and are closely related to horses and donkeys. They are known for their distinctive black and white striped coats, which are unique to each individual zebra. Zebras are herbivores, primarily feeding on grasses and occasionally on shrubs, leaves, and stems. Their stripes serve as a form of camouflage, making it difficult for predators like lions and hyenas to single out individual zebras in a herd. Zebras are highly social animals, typically living in groups called herds, which can consist of several individuals. Unlike horses, zebras have never been successfully domesticated for widespread use by humans. They are native to Africa and can be found in various habitats, including savannas, grasslands, and woodlands. Zebras communicate with each other through vocalizations, facial expressions, and body postures, which help them coordinate group movements and warn of potential dangers. A zebra's gestation period lasts around 12 months, and females usually give birth to a single foal, although twins are possible but rare. The foals are able to stand and walk shortly after birth and can typically join the herd within a few hours. Zebras have excellent hearing and eyesight, allowing them to detect predators from a distance. They are known for their agility and can run at speeds of up to 65 kilometers per hour or 40 miles per hour to escape predators. Zebras have evolved specialized digestive systems to efficiently extract nutrients from their primarily fibrous plant diet. There are three main species of zebras: the plains zebra, the mountain zebra, and the Grevy's zebra, each with its own distinct characteristics and habitat preferences. Plains zebras are the most widespread and common species, inhabiting a range of grassland habitats across eastern and southern Africa. Mountain zebras are adapted to rocky, mountainous terrain and are found in South Africa, Namibia, and Angola. Grevy's zebras are the largest and most endangered species of zebra, primarily found in Kenya and Ethiopia. Despite their striking appearance, zebras are not always easy to spot in the wild due to their natural camouflage and the vastness of their habitats. Zebras have a hierarchy within their herds, with dominant individuals often leading the group and asserting control over resources such as food and water. During the dry season, zebras undertake long migrations in search of water and fresh grazing grounds, sometimes traveling hundreds of kilometers. Their black and white stripes are thought to have various functions, including temperature regulation, as the stripes may create air currents that help cool the zebra's body. Zebras have strong, durable hooves that allow them to traverse various types of terrain, from soft grasslands to rocky mountainsides. In addition to their striped coats, zebras also have a unique pattern of skin pigmentation underneath their fur, which is specific to each individual. Zebras often engage in mutual grooming. They use their teeth to nibble and clean each other's fur, strengthening social bonds within the herd. Despite their close genetic relationship to horses, zebras have a different number of chromosomes, making it difficult for them to produce viable offspring through interbreeding. Zebras have been depicted in ancient rock art and cave paintings, indicating their long-standing cultural significance to human societies throughout history. The word zebra is derived from the Latin word zebra and the Portuguese word zebra, both of which ultimately come from the ancient Greek word hippos, meaning horse. Zebras have a specialized digestive system that allows them to ferment tough plant material in their hindgut, similar to other herbivores like cows and giraffes. In addition to their natural predators, zebras also face threats from habitat loss, poaching for their skins, and competition with livestock for resources in areas where humans have encroached on their habitats. The stripes on a zebra's coat can vary in width, length, and pattern, with some individuals having broader or narrower stripes than others. Zebras are known to engage in behaviors such as rolling in dust or mud to help repel biting insects and parasites from their skin. Despite their social nature, zebras may sometimes engage in aggressive behaviors, particularly during mating season or when competing for resources. Zebras have large, mobile ears that they can rotate independently to listen for sounds from different directions, helping them detect potential threats. The mane of a zebra typically stands upright, adding to their distinctive appearance and helping to deter predators by making them appear larger. Zebras have a keen sense of smell, which they use to detect predators, identify other members of their herd, and locate sources of food and water. Male zebras, known as stallions, will often engage in vocal displays and physical posturing to establish dominance within the herd and attract mates. The lifespan of a zebra in the wild is typically around 20 to 30 years, although this can vary depending on factors such as predation, disease, and habitat conditions. Zebras have been featured prominently in various mythologies, folklore, and cultural traditions of African societies, symbolizing attributes such as strength, freedom, and resilience. In addition to their black and white stripes, some zebras also have brown, shadow stripes in between the black stripes, creating a subtle gradient effect on their coats. The stripes on a zebra's coat are not just limited to their bodies. They extend to their legs as well, providing further camouflage when they are standing in tall grass. Zebras are known to be excellent swimmers and will readily cross rivers and other bodies of water when necessary, especially during migrations. Despite their relatively peaceful demeanor within their herds, zebras can become aggressive when they feel threatened, using their powerful kicks as a means of defense. Zebras have a strong maternal instinct, with mothers fiercely protecting their foals from potential predators and other threats. Zebras have prehensile lips and a mobile upper lip, allowing them to grasp and pull grasses and other vegetation into their mouths for feeding. Zebras are known to engage in play behavior, particularly among young foals, which helps them develop important social and physical skills. In addition to their natural predators, zebras may also face threats from diseases such as anthrax, which can spread through contaminated water sources. Zebras often form symbiotic relationships with other herbivores, such as wildebeests and antelopes, where they benefit from each other's alertness to predators and foraging behaviors. The stripes on a zebra's coat are not only visible to humans, but also to other zebras, and they may serve as a means of individual recognition within the herd. Zebras have a unique pattern of blood vessels in their skin, which may play a role in heat dissipation and contribute to their ability to regulate body temperature in hot environments. In some cultures, the hides and tails of zebras have been used for ceremonial and decorative purposes, although this practice is now regulated in many countries to protect zebra populations. The social structure within a zebra herd is dynamic, with individuals forming alliances and hierarchies that can change over time, based on factors such as age, strength, and reproductive status. Zebras have evolved specialized adaptations to cope with drought conditions, such as the ability to extract moisture from dry grasses and to survive for extended periods without access to water. Despite their resemblance to horses, zebras have unique behavioral traits and ecological roles within their ecosystems, reflecting their evolutionary history and adaptation to specific habitats in Africa.